about that time, y'all. Got all the pieces in with some pieces I was missing. So it's time to build a computer. I told y'all like what happened to my other computer. OS got corrupted, so we're gonna build something new. I've been had this in the works, but when that OS got corrupted, I just said forget it. Let me go ahead and buy everything else. So I bought everything else that I needed, and some of the stuff that I already had I am reusing. Like the graphics card, we all know graphics card prices are crazy right now. So I am reusing my 57 XT. What else am I using? I'm reusing my hard drives. Both of these came out the Mac Pro also. So my M.2 what's it, 970 Evo Plus, and then I think I got a 860 Evo. Yeah, this is a 1 terabyte. That's a 500 gigabyte. But everything else is new. I am water cooling it, so I do have the EK. Everything that I'm using to water cool this amazing beast that it's gonna be. It's gonna be EK products, EK blocks, and everything else is Asus. So this is like a Asus and EK build, really. I got an Asus case. I'm gonna show y'all the case right quick. So this is the case. There's a lot of stuff I got planned. So I do want y'all to know that I will be getting this laser etched. This glass right here, that'll be part of the second part. It's gonna be 2 parts to this build. When I get a better graphics card and better fans. I want RGB fans, but right now we need to get to work, you know? Alright, so yeah, showed you the 2 drives we got. We're going with a Ryzen build. I'm an Intel person, you know. I come from the Max family, man. So I'm really like a real hard Intel person, but I said I'm gonna do something different this time. So we're going with Ryzen. I got the best Ryzen that's out right now, the 5950X. You know, we got the EK CPU box, EK fittings, EK radiator. Got the Trident. These 2 sticks alone is 64 gigs. So I went more with the bigger storage than the catch. And I'll probably get another set of those later. Going with the crosshair formula, since I am water cooling. This is a water cooled motherboard. Like I said, I'm reusing my 5700 XT. And of course the Asus Thor 850 watt with a display of the wattage that you're using at the time in the build. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. So, you know, and of course the case is a GX601 Asus case that I just showed you. Amazing case. I think once I get everything together, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire, y'all. But I will be needing this. So we're gonna get the power supply out. Go ahead and get this out of the case so I can supply some power to the motherboard. So I could get some bins out the way for what I can do right now. The only thing I'm missing right now is the reservoir / pump from EK. It's a 300 D5 reservoir RGB pump. So that's the only thing I'm missing right now. But it is coming in today, so I just want to get a head start on it. It says delivered by 8 today, so we'll see what's going on with that later. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the way. Try to get it to post. It's nice, real nice. Real nice. God, this thing does not want to come out. Okay. I'll tilt it over there and kind of keep it in the. This is like holding on. Is it gonna fall out? Okay. It's gonna fall out. Yeah. Static bag. Use that now on the box. Okay. Alright, let's see it get some. Alright, so yeah, let's get some stuff into this. Get it right. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Put the RAM in first. Tried it. Got two 16 modules for a full 32. So turn this the other way. There we go. That one went in way smoother. Get this beauty in, boy. This right here is hard to come by, man. Had to pay like $100 and something over MRSP. I took that hit. It's better than the graphics card. I wasn't taking the hit for the graphics card unless I could have something to supplement it, which I will when I sell my other graphics card. So I'm gonna save up some money, scalp somebody on that graphics card that I have, and that's the only way I'm gonna get a new, a new graphics card. Sorry in advance for whoever I scalp for it. Ooh. Beauty. Put it in nice and gentle. Yeah. Simple. Okay. Graphics card. Graphics card. Big boy. About as big as the 30 series now. But I haven't had any problems with this card at all. Try to get the front end first and then the back. Yep, it's in there. Okay, good. Alright. So that's about it for what I need to make it post. So I'm gonna get some plugs. Let's see if we can make it post. If everything runs, we're good. We're in the clear to put it in the box, the case. I'm trying to think. Need PCIe, so that's one for the graphics card. CPU, need that. Another CPU, PCIe, and I'm gonna need the power for the motherboard. Got a whole degree in IT, man. Haven't done this in a while. Right, this over here. Let's see, plugged up. Plug this up. tell. We're gonna start it. Start that today. Should be enough length to get everywhere. So hey. I like my those better. Like it secures it a little bit better. Okay. I need these to go all the way over it to the top of the card. Ugh, that's ugly. See if I can put it over here. That's better. Yes. 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 Mad scientist. Yes. Should do this one first. Let me do this one first. It's kind of like in the way. Okay. Because you know what? I got time today. And I'm crossing the line today. The love be fake. Does this have a power on button is the question. It does. Okay. Now I gotta find a HDMI. Well, this is a monitor. This is what I call it. It's a monitor, but it's not for that really. Okay, is it on? Okay, we got colors on the RAM. See what we got going on. Okay. CPU code 15. VGA code. Don't have any hard drive. Okay, so let's take this up. I might have to do a update on the BIOS. Go right here. So really I didn't have to take that GPU off. I gotta try to put it back on. Have to give me another M.2 soon, because I want to populate both slots really. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you, just gonna act a fool today. Let's see, what box do I need? The CPU. No, the box that I'm on. Oh wow. Okay. We'll do that later. I need the screw out of my motherboard box, but it's cool. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and take that thermal stick off. Either way, just in case. just in case. Ugh, I hate this download stuff. It's so ill. So ill. And just stick it to it real quick. Okay, sir, let me position it first, sir. Get a position first. Okay, so that should help with the HDD code. Okay, so I came to the conclusion that I gotta update my BIOS, so that's what we're gonna go do. We finally did it. Can y'all see that? That's it. Update complete. So this took all day, y'all. All day. It was bright outside. It is. I started this video like at, let's say 12 hours ago. I started this video. It wasn't detecting my CPU, my GPU. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I know I had to do a BIOS flash, but I didn't have an old CPU to throw in there to get it to boot. And you know, all I have is my new CPU. So thankfully the newer motherboards had the BIOS flash system on here on the motherboard. So you just hook up a USB, plug it in, and you can flash your BIOS like that. Found it. This is what I was trying to use. This is a USB I bought from Walmart. It's the Orange brand. 32 gigabytes, I think. No, 16 gigabytes. This is what I usually have Windows loaded on. This is what I was trying to use to update my BIOS on this board. And it was not working all day. I was trying to figure it out, and I was like, I wish I had an older CPU so I could just throw it in and go into the real BIOS and just change the settings and flash it that way. But I didn't have the older CPU, so I knew I had to go down this route. I couldn't find another flash drive. I got hard drives, but I don't have any flash drives. I didn't want to use a hard drive. So I went with the adapter. So I have a just like one of your GoPro micro SD cards in the adapter, the USB adapter. This worked. This worked more than the Walmart Orange brand. It couldn't find the BIOS on this brand. I plugged this up and it worked. And I got my update complete. So we gotta see now, can we get a post? Also, yeah, this came in the reservoir pump, D5 with the reservoir on top. So yeah, another EK. So it's gonna be all EK. So we back at it. Putting everything back in to see where I'm at. Okay. So it's connected regardless. It's touching it, got a little cold block on it for a second, you feel me? Now is the time. Right to the computer gods, let this thing post. Hey. Then that screen's so like old and ancient. Let's see what happened, y'all. Let's start it up. It's not posting. We still down one, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna try to get it says load the VGA BIOS. I'm gonna see what I can do about that. I know which I know which USB that'll work for me. So if I can find the BIOS, I'll upload it and we'll continue. I didn't want to upgrade to the beta BIOS last time because, you know, the beta BIOS, they give you the warning, hey, if you brick your motherboard, it's your fault. Okay, cool. So I did the one under it the first time. We didn't get a post. This time I did the beta version, which is the newest version right now that's out, and I got it to post. In fact, so that's why I was using the fan for to cool it down, because and I'm gonna get some shots with the GoPro, but yeah, the 5950X is so, it's a hungry chip, you know. So it really needs cooling. It's 16 cores, you know, 32 threads. So it only gives you like a second without actually having it cool, a second where it posts and it overheats and shut down. So I got it to post. It did recognize the GPU. It recognized the CPU, the M.2 drive, the RAM. I got 64 gigs of RAM. I didn't see if it recognized the graphics card, but the graphics card is working if I got image to this. So that's where we at now. So I'm gonna try to see if I could show y'all the post. So yeah, we got it. 59. Hit the start button. Let's see, can we get a quick picture of the post before it overheats? Got a blink. Come on, there we go. Post it. It says on CPU fan error, so I gotta figure that out. But we got the M.2, overheated. So there we go. We got a post. So yeah, we got it to post, which means we could just build it now. We could just build everything. Everything is being recognized. I'm so happy. This was an all-day thing right here. Recognizing it as working. So first thing we're gonna do is take this power out. We did it.